Right. So, welcome to my class, everybody. My name is Ramesh. I have 14 plus years of experience as a web developer and a trainer. So, now this is today onwards. We are going to put everybody mute, please. Prince, put yourself mute. Yes. So, today onwards we are going to learn Angular technologies. Okay, Angular framework. But in the starting of the classes, only introduction can be possible. So, first today, okay. So we are going to know about the introduction of the Angular. Okay, before that, I want to give you some class related information also. Then after we'll go to the Angular related introduction. So class related information. Class timings will be daily 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. Same. Class days will be Monday to Friday. Saturday, Sunday are holidays. Course duration will be 2 to 3 months. Then after you will get pre-recorded videos, not this live recorded, because same examples I have taught, same type of same example, same syntaxes. So pre-recorded also, normal live recorded also, you don't find any differences. But if there is any changes, suddenly changes comes right in the technology. So if there is any changes are there, syntax related changes are there, programming related changes are there, definitely I'm going to teach you that also. Okay, everybody, right? That videos will be recorded. Those videos I will share with you. Okay, no need to worry about that. And I don't have any separate PDF file to share the material, but example files, whatever the example files I will have, whatever the example files I have, that example files I will share it with you. That example files I will share it with you. So the notes will covered by topic. So whenever you are preparing for interview also, you don't read all the material. What you will do, what are the important topics are there, that important topics related notes only you will read. So since I am providing the notes topic by topic, it will be useful for interview purpose also, because you are able to easily find the topic, that related notes you can read it properly. Clear it, everyone? Hello.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. Then after this is about the close related information. Then after other things, what is that? To learn any framework or any library, we should have some prerequisites. Okay, right. Why? Because that framework or library developed by using any some other technology only. So the technology related knowledge also we should have. So in the same way here, sir, what are the prerequisites to learn about this particular course, the Angular? For example, if you want to know about the Angular, first of all, we need to know about the HTML and CSS, because in the Angular we need to use HTML and CSS also. So that related at least basic knowledge for everybody. At least basic knowledge we should have. Then after we should know about at least basic knowledge about JavaScript. What is it, everybody? JavaScript related basic knowledge we should have. But okay, then after TypeScript, JS stands for JavaScript, TS stands for TypeScript. If you don't have JavaScript knowledge also, okay, it is little bit fine, but we need to have TypeScript related knowledge. But no need to worry, TypeScript related knowledge I will give you in the classes only. That means TypeScript, first of all, I will teach you, that related videos also I will share it with you. Okay, everybody, right? If you know any other language oops concepts also, it will be fine. If you know any other language oops concepts like PHP or any other language, Java, .NET, any other language oops concepts, if you know, that will be good for you. But as a part of the course, I'm going to teach you TypeScript that related videos also. And we should know about the bootstrap related at least fundamentals. Okay, and especially this grid system related knowledge, I will share it with you. What is it, everybody? Grid system. That is used for responsiveness purpose. That grid system related knowledge, I will share it with you. That means I will teach you in the class. Clear or not? Respond, everyone.
Yes,
Hello.
sir. Clear.
Okay, right. This is about this related things. These are the prerequisites to learn this particular course. Clear it, everyone? Yes. Then after, now we are going to know about the Angular related introduction. What is Angular? So Angular is a MVC structure followed client side framework. Angular is a MVC structure followed client side framework developed by Google company using TypeScript language only. So now respond, everybody. Google is a small company or big company? Google is a small company or big company?
Very big
It is,
company.
yeah, very big company. It is one of the top 5 companies in the world. It is one of the top 5 companies in the world. Clear it, everybody? That is one of the top 5 companies in the world. So since it is very since it is very huge and big company, there will be always support for you. There will be always support for you, and not only you, there is always support for this Angular framework. There is always support for this Angular framework. Clear it, everyone? There is always huge support for this Angular framework. Okay, right. There is always huge support for this Angular framework also. So definitely you can take this as your career. Definitely you can take this as your career also. Okay, everybody, definitely you can take this as your career also. Okay, everybody, right. So now, what is this TypeScript language? By using this TypeScript language, it has developed. So, as I told, just starting of the classes, what is that? Any by this framework has to develop by using any language only. Okay, nowadays especially if anybody develops any application means everybody is going, yeah, everybody using frameworks only. Nowadays everybody using frameworks only to develop their applications. Okay, so now respond everybody, why everybody nowadays using frameworks to develop the application? Why most of the time people are using frameworks to develop their applications? What is the reason? As per your knowledge, you can respond. Right. So if you want to develop the application, we need to focus on the three things mainly. We need to focus on the uh, three things mainly. What are they? What are they? Security, performance, and SEO friendly URLs. What is that, everybody? Security, performance, and SEO friendly URLs. Okay, right. One second. Yeah, Sarang, is this your first class, right? Sarang Kedar.
Yes, sir.
Right, right. So one second, Sagar. Give me a second. Observe your chart once, Kedar. You missed Thursday class. Okay, right. Just introduction only. That means what is the project I'm going to discuss and everything only. So please copy that link in the chat, Kedar. After the class, please watch it.
Okay, okay.
Okay, please don't miss the link. Okay, please copy that. Yes. So now coming to our topic, if you want to develop any application, we need to take care of three things mainly and fundamentally also. What are they? One, security. What is it, everybody? One, security. Two, performance. Three, SEO friendly URLs. What is that? Security, performance, and SEO friendly URLs. Why we need to focus on the security? Why we need to focus on the security? For example, you are using some application. Okay, you are using some application. So by using that application, you are transferring money. That is a money transaction app. So that by using that money application, you are transferring your money to your home. For example, you are transferring 20,000 rupees, but within 5 seconds only it is transferring. 5 to 10 seconds only. But in that 5 to 10 seconds also, somebody hacked that session. He theft that 20,000 rupees. He theft that 20,000 rupees. Understand it, my point? That's my everybody. He theft that 20,000 rupees. Okay. So do you use that application second time? Do you use that application second time? Hello.
No, sir, we won't use.
We won't use. And not only that, what is the other thing you will do? You will file a case against that company also. Why? Because you lost 20,000 rupees. Then what happens? That will spread to the news channels also. Automatically, that will be published in the news also. So nobody use your application. For example, you are the owner. Then what happens? Okay, you are losing all your existing users. You are not getting any new users because in the news channels they are telecasting about that news. Somebody hacked that particular application like that. Then what happens? There is no security, so everybody don't no install also. Nobody uses that application also. And whoever already installed, they will try to uninstall. And whoever lost the money, all the people will file case against that application also. So you are not getting any new users because of the news telecasting, and existing users also they are uninstalling your application, and whoever lost the money, they are giving complaint in the police station also. Why all these things are happening? Because of the security issue. So if your application doesn't have any security, you need to face some legal issues also. Why? Because your that information will be stolen by some others. Clear or not? Respond everybody. Hello? Respond everyone. Okay, that information will be stolen. Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You are audible.
Okay, right. Then after, why second one is what? Performance. Why we need to, why our application should perform very faster, very well. So here performance means faster performance only. So why our application should work very faster? For example, somebody developed an application. You are using that application. Okay, so you have went to a curry point. So you want to transfer 30 rupees to that curry point owner. Okay, you are trying to transfer, but to transfer the 30 rupees, it is taking 3 hours time. It is taking 3 hours time. So do you wait there 3 hours to transfer that 30 rupees? Do you wait there? Definitely we don't wait there to transfer that 30 rupees. Clear or not? Respond everyone. Hello. See, please interact
Yes,
with
sir.
the faculty. Okay, then only the class will be interesting. If you are listening silently, I cannot understand that you are listening, or else you are not listening, or else you are understanding, or you are not understanding, like that. So please cooperate. Okay, right. So do you wait the 30 rupees to sorry, do you wait the 3 hours to transfer the 30 rupees? Definitely no. And that curry point owner also doesn't have that much time to wait to receive the 30 rupees. You are not able to transfer 30 rupees. You are not able to wait, and he is also not able to wait. Then what happens? That curry point owner does not encourage that application. Not only that curry point owner, whoever using that application, nobody encourages that application, all the business persons. Then what happens? Everybody will uninstall that application. Why these are all the things is happening? Because of the performance. It is working very, very slowly. Clear it everybody? It is working very, very slowly. Clear it everybody? Okay. So your application is working slow means nobody encourages that application. If any application is working slowly means nobody encourages that application. For example, if you observe YouTube, so many people are using YouTube at the same time. Right or wrong? Respond everybody.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. Somebody is uploading the video, somebody is watching the videos. But whatever the scenario may be, if somebody is uploading or somebody is watching the videos, okay, if somebody is uploading the videos also, if somebody is watching the videos also, whatever the scenario it may be, whatever the scenario it may be, whatever the scenario it may be. Okay, that application doesn't hang. That application does not hang. Okay, that application does not hang. It will work very faster only. Same applies for Instagram, Twitter, Bootstrap, Twitter, Facebook, Google, and everything. So irrespective of the number of users are using at the same time, irrespective of number of users are using at the same time. Okay, irrespective of number of users are using the application at the same time, that application should work very, very faster. That application should work very, very faster. Okay, everybody? Right. Hello.
Yes, sir. You are audible.
అల్లు అర్జున్ నేను అల్లు అర్జున్ టైట్ షర్ట్లు వేస్తాడు బాడీ పెరిగింది అమ్మాయిలను పడేస్తాడు
Hello. Getting my voice? Kindly respond, everybody.
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Right. I'm sorry, everybody. I lost the power suddenly. Okay, I'm really sorry.
Yeah, no issues, sir.
Yeah, right. So, 1 second, wait. Let me share the screen. Yeah, see here, everybody. So, what I'm teaching? Performance. Okay, everybody. Right. So, irrespective of the number of users are using our application should work very faster. Our application should work very faster, irrespective of the number of users are using at the same time. Okay, like YouTube, Twitter, Twitter, Facebook, Google, these are all working very faster, irrespective of number of users are using at the same time. That is one thing. Okay, right. And the third thing is, whenever you are developing the application, what is the third thing you need to focus? SEO friendly URLs. What is that, everybody? SEO friendly URLs. So what is this SEO friendly URLs? Why we need to generate them? First of all, we need to know about what is SEO. SEO stands for search engine optimization. What is that, everybody? Search engine optimization. That means whatever the application you are developing, that should be known by the search engines. Worldwide famous search engines are there. You should known by that particular search engines only. Okay. So if you are doing offline business or online business, nowadays everybody is inquiring about that business in the online. For example, you have seen an ad, offline hoarding, very big hoarding you have seen about Tanishq Jewelers. So what will you do? You will search in the Google or not? So where is Tanishq Jewelers? Tanishq Jewelers near me. Or Tanishq Jewelers ratings. Everything you will search or not in the Google? Respond, everyone. Hello. Do you want to
Yes,
visit their
yes.
website or not? Others also respond. Okay. Right. Definitely we are trying to search in the Google only. Why? Because everybody nowadays using internet only. And if anybody knows about anything newly, then after what happens, they will search in the Google only. For example, you are new to the Bollywood. Suddenly you know about Amitabh Bachchan. So what you will do? Who is Amitabh Bachchan? Like that, you will search in the Google itself. So Amitabh Bachchan, all movies, Amitabh Bachchan hits and flops. What you will do? You will search in the Google only. So if you are doing anything offline, okay, if any information is world or else very latest, whatever the sequence, whatever the thing may be, whatever the scenario also, old information or new information, whatever the information also, everybody is searching in the Google only. That is what is that? Search engine. Okay, what is that, everybody? Search engine. So what happens? Everybody thinks everybody knows about the whatever they know in the through Google only. So if you are developing the application, okay, that application nobody knows about that. that is secure and faster, but nobody knows about that application. Do you get any income? Respond everybody. If nobody using your application, do you get income? Respond everyone.
No, sir.
No, you don't get any income also. Okay, right. Why you are not getting income? Because nobody knows about that. Why nobody knows about that? Because you are not publicizing that application. So if you are developing an application, so where you should publicize that application? Where we need to publicize that application if you are developing an application? Online and offline, 100% online only, because you are developing an application which is belongs to internet, which you are working on the internet only. Clear or not? Respond everyone.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. So how will you publicize? But please put yourself, everybody mute. Prince, put yourself mute. Right. So how everybody knows about that application? If that application known by the search engines. So when search engines will understand, whenever you optimize, okay, whenever you optimize for the search engine purpose. So how to optimize? Very simple, by writing some keywords and meta keywords, meta description like that. Not only that, your application should generate SEO friendly URLs. For example, everybody separate everything with the URL with the hyphens only, with the hyphens only. That is SEO friendly URLs, not with underscores. So hyphens. So that type of things we need to follow. So we need to generate some SEO friendly URLs also, and SEO friendly titles also. We need to generate some SEO friendly titles also. So how they will come? God, please gift me security, performance, and SEO friendly URLs related code. Please gift me, like that. If you pray, does he gift you? No. We need to write by our own only. That related code we should write by our own only. What is that? Security related code, performance related code, SEO friendly related code, everything we need to write. And these three are internally dependent also. For example, if you are writing security for the application, sometimes it will may slow down your performance also. And it does not support SEO friendly URLs also. So what is the thing we need to do? All the three things are interrelated, right? So each and every time we need to check all these three things also. If you manipulate your code, does it secure? Does it performing very well? Is it affecting the performance? Is it affecting the SEO friendly related functionality? Everything we need to check. These three are internal related things. Understanding it, my point. Respond now. Hello.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, right. This is what you need to understand. Okay, everybody, right. So who will write that? Who will give you that related basics? Who will give you that code? We need to write our own only. So if you want to write code related to security, related to performance, and related to SEO friendly URLs, if you want to write the code by your own, if you choose any core language, if you choose any core language like Java, PHP, or Node.js, whatever the scenario may be, whatever the language may be, if you choose any language, minimum it will take 3 to 6 months time. Minimum it will take 3 to 6 months time. So rather than that, what you can do, you can download any framework. Within 5 to 10 minutes, we can download that framework. Within 5 to 10 minutes, we can download that framework. Understand my point? We can download that framework. So then after within 10 to 15 minutes, we can change that framework related basic settings. We can change the framework related basic settings. Then what happens? Within half an hour, we can develop actual application related business logic. But in the scenarios, what happens? To write that structure, it will take 3 to 6 months time. Then only you are developing the business related application, business related logic. But second scenario, you are developing very faster only. Within a half an hour, you are developing. So why you are able to do that? Because that framework will give you basic structure related to security, performance, and SEO friendly URLs also. But same basic structure, if you want to develop by your own, it will take 3 to 6 months time. That's why everybody developing. That's why everybody developing their own application. Everybody developing. Sorry, everybody. So that's why everybody developing application by using the frameworks only. Clear or not? That's what everybody. Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
What about others? Why are you not responding? Only one person is responding.
Actually, the voice is muted, so I thought that it is unmuted, but it is muted.
Okay, okay, right. Prince, Sarang, Shweta, understanding?
Yes, sir.
Okay, everybody? Right. Give me a second, everyone. Give me a second. Give me a second, kindly. Hello. Right. Sorry, everybody. Right. So that's why everybody using nowadays framework to develop the applications. But what type of framework it is? This is a client-side framework. What is that, everybody? Client-side framework. So we have two types of technologies in the world. Sorry, in the software industry. What are they? Client-side technologies and server-side technologies. What is that, everybody? Client-side technologies and server-side technologies. Clear or not? Respond, everybody.
Yes.
Okay, client-side technologies and server-side technologies. So, what are the differences between them? Client-side technologies and server-side technologies. So, the major difference between client-side technologies and server-side technologies. So, by using client-side technologies, we cannot store our data permanently. By using client-side technologies, we cannot store our data permanently. We can store our data temporarily. HTML, CSS, and JavaScript are the client-side technologies. We can store our data temporarily only. Only in the user's browser, we can store the data. But by using server-side technologies, what we can do, we can store the data permanently. How we can store the data permanently? If you want to store your data permanently, we need to store the data in a database. So the technology, whatever you are using, that should have the capacity to connect with the database and to manipulate the database. Those technologies can be called as server-side technology. Those technologies can be called as server-side technologies. What are the examples? HTML, sorry, Node.js, Java, Python, C, C++, Ruby on Rails, .NET. These are all the server-side technologies. By using these server-side technologies only, we are able to download the framework. Clear it, everyone? Sorry. By using these server-side technologies only, we are able to connect with the database. Okay. For example, by using Java, we are able to connect with the Oracle. By using Node.js, we are able to connect with the MongoDB. By using PHP, we are able to connect with the MySQL. Clear it, everybody? Right. So at least one database we are able to connect. But ours is client-side technology, so that we are not able to connect with the database. Without connecting to the database, can you retrieve the data? Respond, everyone. Without connecting to the database, can you retrieve the data?
No.
No. Without retrieving the data, can you display the data?
No.
No. So without displaying data, nobody uses the application. Oh no, without displaying, nobody uses the application. Then why we need to use this technology? Of course, we are not able to connect with the database directly, but indirectly we are able to connect. How? By using REST APIs. Okay, everybody? Right. So what is this REST APIs? What are the uses of this REST APIs and what is this MVC structure? All those things. Please don't mind. We will continue tomorrow class. Understand it, my point? Respond, everybody. We'll discuss all these topics by tomorrow. Hello? Okay? Right.
Yes. Yes.
Yes. Yeah, that's it, everyone. This is the class for today. And whoever missed what is the project and everything we are going to discuss, wait 1 second, everybody. I am sending you in the chat. You can watch it there. Okay, everybody? Right. Yeah, Srivastava, like Shweta, please watch that chat and copy that link, everybody. And please please watch that link after the class so that you will understand what is the project we are going to discuss, what are the topics we are going to discuss and everything. Okay, everyone? Right. Thank you very much, everyone. Tomorrow we will continue. Okay. Bye, everyone. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Yeah. Bye, everyone. Thank you.